Hey everyone, I'm Gaurav from Logitech. Here we're going to talk about our Logitech Scribe camera that was designed for whiteboards 6 feet wide by 4 feet high. The camera basically lets you bring in your whiteboard into your video experience in a very natural way, letting you focus on the content. So you can imagine drawing on that whiteboard and having that content show up with high contrast and a lot of ease. And then when you want your folks to be able to look at what you're doing, we have this built-in transparency mode so that you can continue seeing what's happening, not be distracted, while making sure that the contrast ends up being high in this way. The product comes in naturally into our video bar and video camera experiences, and one of the coolest features is the ability to bring the camera into the meeting or out of the meeting just at the touch of a button. So here you can see the camera is already in there. When I hit that button, you get back out, and you can re-trigger that by touching that camera again. You can find out more at logitech.com. Thank you for being here.